Chapa Dimba ma Nairobi nochako ayanga kawuono paw tuke ma Jakaranda. Motelo ne chak tuke go ching Safaricom biro konyo oganda e yore mopogore opogore mag duoko lwedo mong'ere. Tugo mokwongo dhi bedo giko dirani e alap manyien mar Dandora Stadium chieng' ngeso. Moko kuom tije ma oganda ma Safaricom dhi chiwo gin kaachiel gi tiego jopiny yore makare mag tiyo gi omenda ka kambi mar okumba mar Britam bende siro chenro ma kamano.
Chapa Dimba regionals finals for Nairobi. This has been a journey for us so that we can be able to, have youth and youth showcase their talent in the football. First of all, we're going to have this tournament being held in Dandora. And the reason why we chose Dandora is because this is where we believe the youth and many of the youth sitting.
As the federation, I think we want to thank Safaricom for the good gesture, bringing the tournament down to the grassroots, keeping in mind the impact that it has brought for the past few years. And for this edition, I think Safaricom has garnered more in terms of talent.